get what we give.
Hi guys, what is up and welcome back to another vlog. Today is Friday. It's about 11 o'clock right now, which is a bit of a later start than I wanted. I have been up for a while, like since 8:30 I think, but I've just been kind of getting stuff done. Today is the start of my 3-day weekend and I'm so excited. I don't usually have like the whole entire weekend off, so to have 3 days, like Friday, Saturday and Sunday, is incredible. I'm so excited. It actually comes at a really good time because next week is a super busy week with me, like uni wise, work wise. I'm working literally Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Sunday, so I only have Wednesday and Saturday off, which Wednesdays I have uni, so is it really a day off? I don't think so. So yeah, this weekend I want to be super productive and get as much work done as possible so that next week I can kind of just like focus on all the other commitments that I have. So right now, like I said, it's 11 o'clock. I'm about to head to my local coffee shop, grab a coffee and get some uni work done. I have a live tutorial at 5:30 tonight, which is for one of my online classes. It's worth like 5% of my grade just to attend, and there's 3 of them throughout the semester, so may as well. I have some work to get done for that, and then I just have a lot of like little mini assignments that are due. Like I said in my last vlog, I am doing 2 of my classes online this semester just because it worked better with my timetable and my schedule and work and everything. So yeah, there's just like a lot of little things. It's really annoying. Like I'd rather just have like one assignment that's worth like 20% rather than like 5% here, 5% there. You know what I mean? So I have a lot of that to do, and yeah, just some lectures to catch up on and things like that. So I'm gonna go get that done. I've talked about this before in vlogs, but I just love a good coffee shop. That is where I am most productive. I used to do this all the time in Canada. I feel like it's not quite as like widely accepted here, at least where I live. But like going to a coffee shop used to be my thing. Like anytime I needed to edit a video or just get any uni work done, I would just go to like my local Starbucks, and I was just like my most productive self. So I'm stuck with that habit to this day, even though some people give me weird looks. You know what? I'm a boss ass bitch. I'm doing my work. Leave me alone. Thank you.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Guys, look who joined me. It's my sis. She's on a free. Wait, is it lunch or free? Oh, sorry. Fake Ben.
I don't even know my timetable.
How's school so far?
So good. I love school so much. It's my favorite place. Copyright. You look nice today. Where are you going after?
Nowhere. I'm just having a great time. I'm having a good day. Might look like I'm in the jungle. So I'm home now. It's like 2:30. I've been home for about half an hour. I just had some lunch, some tomato soup, digging into a good old tangelo, and yeah, just doing some more uni work. I was also meant to hang out with Olivia tonight, but I think we're gonna do that tomorrow night. I don't know what we're gonna do. We were gonna have a wine night. I don't know if that's still on the cards, but we'll see. Wine night sounds so sophisticated. A wine night with my bestie. But yeah, I think instead I am just gonna hang out with Nick and have a quiet one. And yeah, right now I'm just preparing for this live tutorial, which I'm so excited about. Also, I look so tired. My bags are like unreal. I'm wearing literally like 3 layers of concealer and they're still popping. Also, you may be wondering why I'm still wearing my jacket even though I'm inside. That is because we live in Adelaide here. We live in Adelaide here. I live in Adelaide and it's currently like 13 degrees right now, which is cold. Also, my house is all tiled, and so it's cold 99.9% of the time, which is good in summer, but not great in winter. So I have put the heating on though, so I might take this off. It's getting a little toasty in here. God, you guys, look at the dogs. My 2 sleeping beauties. Oh my god, you look so stinking cute though. She's using a pillow like a real person. On the blanket, come on. Oh, that's nice. This is a G-rated channel, please. On the blanket. Good girl. It's a hard life, isn't it? Okay, for reals, I need to actually do some work. What a concept.
say never. No, I can't do it.
Come on.
No, I can't do it.
I will fight you forever.
All right.
That's a great little spot for the camera.
I like that though, yeah. Like, it is like half of Cause every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be. I gotta stop.
Vision of the one I see.
Is that you people?
It's pretty fast. I think it's a she actually.
She. Oh, the L played
They all
it.
played it, yeah. Do you see that?
Ah, actually, it was quicker.
Oh, they're in front of me now.
Yeah, because I'm turning.
Hi guys, so it's Sunday now. We have come to Ikea.
We're going to get Ella a bed, which she hasn't measured. So
Oh,
this
it will be fine.
interesting
It will be
later
fine.
when we vlog.
It will be fine.
Yes, ma'am, I haven't measured it. I know it'll fit, however it will fit. But you might have to take every other stick of furniture out of your room before it will fit.
No, yeah, that's what I'm planning. The futon, I don't really need the chest of drawers. What's your plan, Dad?
My plan,
You bought a coffee.
coffee, Ikea, $2.50, bargain. As many refills as you like. My plan is drink at least one now, if not two. Wipe the cup, because we only just arrived by the way, I need to say that.
Yeah.
Wipe the cup, put it in my pocket, walk round, do our shopping, come back, we've already got a cup, pay for it, free coffee. Sorted.
Now, I've had no training, unlike Bella, who's been doing this for years. But here we are in Ikea.
You vlogging?
Yeah.
Just pan your camera around. This is pun heaven in here. You're a right dish, babe.
You're a right dish, babe. Afterwards.
Nice bag. Is that Louis Vuitton?
Oh, I don't like that one.
Dad looks surprisingly good with that bag.
It sort of suits him in a weird way.
Yeah.
There's a mom.
21. So we just finished our little expedition at Ikea. We got all the goods. Dad's just loading up the trolley now. Do you need help?
Nope.
Oh, strong independent man.
Yeah.
That's the man you married.
Independent? Oh, no.
Hi guys, so I'm home now from our little Ikea expedition with my parents. Oh my god, you can see me in the background. That's cute. I've just been editing this vlog because I'm hoping to get it up tonight. I'm just waiting for Papa to come home. It's like 5:30. He decided to go to the driving range randomly, so I'm just waiting for him to come home so we can start assembling the bed, which you guys will see in the next vlog, so stay tuned for that. I'll give you guys a little room reveal. I still have a lot of things that I want to purchase, just like little decor pieces here and there, but for the most part, like, I got the main furniture down, and yeah, I'm excited. For now, I'm gonna wrap this up here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out. I will also have a link to all of my social media down below as usual, so if you guys want to follow me on Twitter or Instagram, even Snapchat. I don't really use Snapchat anymore, but if you want to, it's there. And yeah, I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye!
Hasn't that gone off?
Show me a picture.